Go the right way, Sarah. That's the wrong way.
No, back up, back up. Everybody back up. It really is shotgun short. Your turn.
You're going the wrong way. You're going to land on the grass. Sarah, what are you doing?
I go after with that.
Go the other way, then you land in the soft water bubble thing. Stay out of the way, Josh. Okay, Sam, go. Woo! Now go the right way. Go the right way. Watch out! Ah!
Ready? I gotta do it.
Come on, Sarah, you can do it. Hi-ya! Sarah, you can't even walk on it. Alright, Josh, get out of the way. Sam can do a big one. Wrong way, Jim. Go the right way so you don't land in the grass.
This is going to be my way.
Okay, watch out, Sarah. Here comes Sam. Dun, dun, dun. Do it, baby.
Your turn.
Yee-haw.
Let me get out of the way.
Josh, get out of the way. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! That was a good one. Sarah, do that. Yee-haw! Here goes Josh. Oh, crash.